In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Mac to Apple Business Manager. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly add your Mac, regardless of the model, to the Business Manager from Apple. So to do this, you will need to have admin privileges to be able to access the Add Devices option. To start, make sure that the Apple configurator is good to go on any iOS device. You will be able to sign in using an email address. Make sure that you are properly signed in with the privileges to add new devices. Once you are properly signed into this account, move on to the actual Apple Business Manager. In there, you will be able to set it up by selecting your country or region and then assigning the actual Mac device. Now open the Apple configurator and you will be able to use your camera to scan the pattern that is displayed on your screen here when you go through the setup process. So just point your camera to this specific pattern and it is going to identify the device that you are trying to connect to the Apple Business Manager. In this case, the Mac that you want. Once you have properly scanned this, it is going to be assigned to Apple Business Manager according to the email that you signed in with. And you will be able to find all of the options to manage it inside of the Apple configurator. You will get a notification as well, and you will be able to repeat this as many times as you wish with as many Apple devices as you have. All of them will be listed under the actual window, and you will be able to see them here. You can access the devices at any point, and like I said, all that you need to do is make sure that you have the privileges to be able to add new devices on the Business Manager window. Everything will be available here for you to remove, edit, and so on. You can see an overview, the history, details, and such. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a Mac to Apple Business Manager. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.